Hello guys, I'm Nandana from the brand's Computer Science and Business System. So my topic is solar rechargeable hearing aid. So let's move on the topic. Global Globally, tens of millions of people are in need of a hearing aid. In developing countries, less than 3% can afford to buy one. Solar Ear is responding to this need with affordable solar rechargeable with hearing aids. So let's see the working of that. Charging. During daylight hours, the solar panel collects sunlight and converts it into electricity. This energy is used to charge the rechargeable battery. Energy storage. The battery stores the electrical energy, providing power to the hearing aid when needed. Sound processing. The microphone captures sound from the environment and the amplifier processes it to enhance audibility. The control circuitry adjusts settings as necessary. Sound output. The amplified sound is then delivered to the user's ear through the speaker. Continuous use. As long as there is sufficient charge in the battery, the hearing aid can be used continuously. When the battery runs low, it can be recharged by exposing the solar panel to sunlight again. This design allows users to have a sustainable and eco friendly power source for their hearing aids. Thank you.